Kar&Love. Hi mga mahigugmaon, it's me Kar&Love, and I'm back again and spreading good vibes of fun and love. So for today's video, this will be about provincial life, or what we do during quarantine days here in province. Today, this video I'm gonna show you how we I don't know what's the English term for that, but yeah, so na mo pag-ani sa mais or the corns.
Harvest ang English sa ani, guys. Grabe ko kaka-loading. Grabe, jud.
So later I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take you along to the cornfields. So right now, I ain't fresh. I have to take a bath. Should bear the heat later on because, yeah, it's for you. I just want to show you the things that we do here in province, and that's part of it. Being burned in the sun, being under the heat of the sun. So that's part of this vlog. I should be there. I'll gonna bear with the heat. Actually, I'm used to it. I don't know what else to say, what else to do, but I have to take my bath. See you later. A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Tulog na ta. So hello guys, I'm back again with this video, and actually wala ta mo nakuan, but yes, I'm here in the cornfields, and we're now trying to get the crops. Okay, so here's my father. Hello everyone.
Everyone. Okay. Everybody. Everyone.
So muni ang mais. Kung makita ninyo mo siya ang cornfields along gikan dira sa baka, from that cow till here until there, and then this is also included also there. So later on I'm gonna show you some clips of all the nature here. So actually that goat over there is ours. And yeah, actually it's almost 5 p.m. and we have to do this before 6 p.m. because 6 p.m. we should stay home. And yeah, we've done this late. It's because we have other things to do in the previous hours. And yes, we also do this thing because it's not the sun is not striking hard. So that's it, guys. So I'm sorry if you want me to be burned under the sun, if you want to see my face being burned in the sun. Sorry for that, but I haven't done it. So that's it. Keep watching. Bye. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Snoopy, stay there. So guys, we're just doing this. Only of us. Hindi, wala kami nang inahanglad o mga manananggi. Kaya kamay naman ang sa pag-ibig natutumang tingin. Wala sa pag-ibig nagmahaligo. Ang puso kong ito naging umaasang minsan mo kong pag-ibig. Wala sa pag-ibig sumiran ko sa lahat ng gusto mo. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einstein, climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einstein, we need you. Little Einstein, hooray! Ready to explore. Nay, kadagang masiko. Dano sa pag-ibig. Dano sa pag-ibig. Pakita na ko ninyo ang kalbanog. Nga ang porma sa ubos kay brick. IQ ang gi kuan.
Abot bang nga. Mukuha ko tara.
So dito siya magpalapad sa atbang. Ay kanang elementary ko sa una kay sige man mig kuan, sige man mig pananggi. Panabang og sanggi. We're going on a trip in a big rocket ship, snowing through the sky. Little Einstein on the board, ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einstein. Na 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 na. Di mo maklaro God, wala batik ang color man.
Sudah po deh.
Ito, boss.
Mansako.
Ito, babaw to. Yato. Kaya bugoy ka. Sako bugoy. Bugoy and Snoopy.
Pumo ka na pumangko eh. Hindi na hangin na oh.
Tabi, oy. Tabi, oy. Right now it's 6:11 and yeah. Wala pa mi nahuman. We're not yet done with the kuan. There wala pa na nahuman dira. And there at bang not yet done also there. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'll make a bonfire. I'll make a fire. That one I'm gonna burn it up. So yeah. Nay ang kanding. Hi mga mahigugmaon. And right now I'm done. Sorry, wala na ko kakuha ng clips for the fire and also for the kanang humanigid siya, but yes, that is what we do. Tomorrow we're gonna finish it up, and yeah, I think I can't vlog for tomorrow, so just insert after this some clips of the view here in our province. And yeah, that's it probably all for this video. And shout out to Zari, Elisa Virilia, and Junelle Carnaje. Thanks guys for keep on supporting me, and to everyone else, thank you for viewing my vlog always. If you had fun with this video, so make sure to give me a massive thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates of my channel. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like it and I hope you enjoy. Keep safe, stay away from COVID-19. That's what I say guys, I should bear with the heat. So that's it guys, that's the second day of harvesting the crops, and yes, I am burned, I am under the sun.